This ERA Parrish Realty Legacy Group property video is presented by Gene.marshburn. Former Greenleaf Farms 12.24 level acres with pond, equipment shed and duplex. Unit 1 cute as a button tobacco barn converted to house in 1995. Home features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, laundry room, master suite with walk-in closet, kitchen/family room combo with bar seating for 8, patio with pergola, covered carport houses commercial cooler. Moved and ready with fresh paint inside and out. Unit 2 built in 2006 features full front porch, carport, 1 bedroom and 1 bath, large living room and designer kitchen. For more information, review the details below or contact Gene.marshburn at 919-266-3666.